Today's video is all about fruits and vegetables, the colorful and nutritious foods that we love to add to our meals. Fruits and veggies are a great way to nourish our bodies, but they can also come with a side of pesticides, which can be harmful to our health. In this video, we will share some tips on how to wash off as much pesticide residue as possible, so you can enjoy your produce without any worries. Tip number 1: Saltwater Soak. The first tip is to give your fruits and vegetables a saltwater soak. Research suggests that soaking produce in a 10% saltwater solution for 20 minutes can get rid of most of the residues from the four most common pesticides. This method is particularly effective for products with thick skin like apples or potatoes. Tip number 2: Vinegar solution. Another effective way to remove pesticide residues is to soak your produce in a vinegar solution. You can use a solution of 4 parts water to 1 part vinegar for about 20 minutes or full-strength vinegar for a more thorough cleaning. Vinegar can also remove many types of bacteria that may be found in food. However, be cautious when soaking porous fruits like berries in this solution, as it may affect the thin skin. Tip number 3: Baking soda and water. Cleaning your produce with baking soda and water is another great way to wash off pesticides. Mix 1 ounce baking soda to 100 ounces of water and soak your produce for 12 to 15 minutes in the solution. Rinse with water after soaking, and you're good to go. Tip number 4: Cold water rinse. If you're looking for a simpler solution, researchers at the Connecticut Agricultural Experiment Station found that rinsing produce under cold water was able to reduce pesticide residues for 9 out of 12 pesticides tested. So, just rinsing your produce under cold water can make a big difference. Tip number 5: Peel it. Peeling your fruits and vegetables is another way to limit pesticide consumption. However, keep in mind that for many fruits and vegetables, the peel tends to be a nutrient-dense resource. So, if you can, opt for washing your produce with one of the above methods instead of peeling. Now that you have learned about the different ways to wash off pesticide residues from your fruits and vegetables, you can feel confident about eating your produce. Remember, the best way to avoid harmful pesticides is to grow your own produce or buy organic, but if that's not an option, these tips can help you make sure your conventional produce is as healthy as possible. And as a bonus, these tips can also help to remove any dirt or bacteria that may be lingering on your produce. So, go ahead and enjoy your fruits and veggies without any worries. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips.